Hello YouTube family, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your host Gagan. Uh, it's a beautiful day out here in western part of Melbourne today. Bit muggy, not as hot as yesterday. It was 43 degrees yesterday. But that aside, today I'm going to show you how to draw a wolf, an intimidating wolf. Please follow along, follow the process. If there are any questions, please ask in the comment sections below. And if you like the video, please let me know in the comment sections below. Or if you don't like anything or part of the video or whatever, please let me know in the comment sections below. If you have any positive comments or any criticism, also please let me know in the comment sections below. And I really hope you like the video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, as it will help me to grow. Thank you. Let's start.
So whenever we start a new drawing, it is important to set up the drawing first. For example, your reference photo on the drawing page, we need to have it set up. By setting up, I mean scaling the subject up or down on your sketch sheet based on the photo size we have. For example, in this case, my reference photo was from my laptop, but I had zoomed in just to make the scale 1:1. So if my eye is 1 unit wide and 1 unit high, on my reference photo that eye was 1 unit wide and 1 unit high. So once you have set up the drawing, use your pencil to measure the proportions and the distances between the objects and the features of your reference photo. And this is what I'm doing right now. For example, I'm measuring the distance between the eyes here on my reference photo. I measured how far the eye is, how down the nose is from the middle of the eyes, and check the angles just to have it correct, because that's what make your drawing a realistic drawing. When you have everything proportionally correct and in line with other objects. For example, in this photo, in this drawing, the right eye is a little bit below from the left eye. So I measured the distance across and down and drew. Now I'm measuring the nose, the top of the nose, how far it is from the center of the eyes, the bottom of the nose, how far it is from the center of the eye, and measure each and every small detail. And always do small measurements, because when we do small measurements, we get more accurate drawing, a more realistic drawing, a more realistic output. Now what I want you to do, follow along, follow how I'm drawing, follow the process, follow how I measure, how I mark the points, then how I go back and draw. And if there are any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment sections below. I know this is not an ideal drawing because you guys can't see from where I'm measuring, and for that purpose I'll do another drawing, a separate just tutorial to show you guys how I use my pencil to measure, how I use my pencil to scale up a drawing or scale down a drawing. So if you have any questions along the way about the process or about anything specific, please feel free to ask. Let me know in the comment sections below, and I'll speak to you guys soon. I hope you all enjoy the process, enjoy this artwork, and more importantly, have fun drawing this. If you like this artwork, please be sure to subscribe and let me know. And even if you don't like it, still please let me know, as it will help me to improve, learn from my mistakes and grow. Speak to you all soon.